Having trouble with voice chat in Fortnite? Here's a quick fix. Step 1, check your settings. Go to Settings and go to the Communications tab. Scroll to Voice Chat and make sure it's on. Change who you want to chat with. Either set it to friends only, friends and teammates, or everybody. So, a quick summary is that if you only want to chat with your friends, then set it to friends only. But if you're playing with your friends and a random teammate, then you may want to use this setting instead, the friends and teammates setting, so you can make sure that everybody on your team can hear you. If you're feeling extra chatty or social, then you could set it to everybody so you could talk to not only your teammates but also your enemies. The next step is to check your voice chat method. Make sure you either set this to either open mic or push to talk. Next, you have to make sure that you are selecting the right input and output. For this one, you have to make sure that the microphone that you're using is selected here. And this one, the setting for chat output device is for your speakers or your headphones, depending on which one you want to hear your voice chat. And that's it. Restart Fortnite and test voice chat in a party or creative match. If it's still not working, update your drivers and check Windows sound settings. Drop a comment if this helped. See you in the next game.